Welcome to Practicum. Slump test is one of the important tests conducted in the construction industry to know the workability of the concrete. Knowing the workability of the concrete is a key requirement for any construction projects. The easiest and simple test to identify the workability of the concrete test is a slump test. The slump test actually can be conducted in the laboratory as well as in the site. When we construct any type of project, the different batches of the concrete has been used. In order to maintain the same quality and same workability of the concrete, slump test will help to identify and maintain the same workability throughout the project. This slump test will provide the results in terms of true slump, shear slump, collapse slump and zero slump. So what are the apparatus is required to test the slump test? Scale for measurement and tampering rod and the cone. This cone is standardized. The bottom diameter is 200 mm, top diameter is 100 mm and height is 300 mm. The base plate can be used or it can be tested in the smooth surface if it is available. Now, once we tested this cone, the results will be yielded in terms of zero, true, shear and collapsed. What are those? The slump is nothing but the total cone height. Once you compact and remove the cone, the difference between the removed and the concrete to the top surface is nothing but a slump. This distance is called as a slump. If we don't get any slump, means is called as a zero slump. And then if the concrete has been one side is pulled and collapsed, it's like a shear slump. And the bottommost is collapsed, which is nothing but as a, you can even kind of water cement ratio is slightly more, and this is called as a collapse slump. So what are the measurements which indicates and where we can use this concrete in the various applications in the construction industry? They are all like a very low workability of the concrete is nothing but the slump between 0 to 25. That is called very low degree of workability and will be used in the road construction. And for for compacting the concrete, we can use the missions, vibrated missions. For 25 to 50 mm slump, we call it as a low workability, low degree of workability, will be used for foundations. Again, it can be used as a operated missions to vibrate the compacting. To compact. For 50 to 100 is a medium degree of workability and normally used for the reinforced concrete slabs and all. Also can be used hand operated missions. And greater than 100 is normally called as a high workability concrete, will be specially used for different types of structures. So these are the numbers will indicate the degree of workability and also will allow us to maintain for the particular structures and throughout the different batches of the concrete for throughout the construction of the given project. So one should know the slump test is very much important to perform this test and maintain the perfect workability of the concrete for a given project. Thank you very much and subscribe to the channel for more videos and more information. Thank you very much.